In just the past 2 years, I lost over $120,000 in investment, and here's what I learned. During the height of the crypto market, I got into derivatives, perpetual futures to be exact. Basically, what this is buying futures contracts with leverage. At one point, I had 8 positions open at 10x leverage each, and when the market took a dump, all my positions got liquidated, and that resulted in losing all my funds. So the lesson here is to not over leverage, learn how to hedge and mitigate risk, which also applies in every other areas of your life. Number 2 is investing into startups without any research or due diligence on the founder and their management style, or even consider how risky these type of investments are. I had the pleasure when I was 22 to invest in 2 of my friends' startups, and not because I believe in their models, but because of the relationships that we have, and that quickly backfire. So the lesson here is to do proper research on the founder, their management style, and their products, and don't let emotions get in the way of investing. Another key lesson is proper portfolio allocation. At that time, I invested over 15% of my net worth in one of the most risky industries. So to sum it up, plan for all worst case scenarios, review track record on the founder's background and their team, and to never make an investment decisions when you're emotional. If you enjoy these type of content, head over to our company's page and drop us a follow, and I'll see you next time.